Ment Funding Review.
Ment Funding was founded in October 2020 and originally created as an educational platform for Forex traders looking to improve their skills in the markets. In June of 2021, the company went on to create the prop firm arm of the business and offer funding to profitable Forex traders looking to scale their accounts. With a scaling model, great reviews and backing from a large organization, this funding sounds like a no-brainer, right? Ment Funding pricing. How much does it cost? The price is a one-time fee, paid when you start your trading challenge. There is no guarantee that you will pass the challenge, and most traders do fail when they are trying to receive funded accounts, so you must not risk what you cannot afford to lose. The $25,000, the smallest funded account, is going to set you back $250, which is very affordable and competitive for its size funding. Moving up, the $200,000 account will cost you $1,500, which again is fairly competitive as far as funding goes. The largest account, the $1 million account, is going to cost traders $7,500 for the challenge. I would highly recommend not starting at this amount at all. You're able to have unlimited funded accounts from the company, so I'd certainly recommend starting with something smaller and using the profits to fund more challenges, rather than jumping straight in with the largest funding option. The drawbacks of Ment Funding. Ment Funding has a huge offering, and even just the level of funding they have is exponentially larger than most of our largest prop firms opens in a new tab. However, there are a few drawbacks that may need to be considered before attempting to get funded by the company. 1. Low leverage. Leverage is needed to open positions and scale into trades. The majority of retail traders trade with a leverage of 1 to 100 or higher, although this isn't really all that safe. Ment will allow a leverage on Forex pairs of up to 110. This will make it extremely hard for traders opening trades with smaller stop losses, like scalpers or day traders. It'll still be very much possible to get funded, but I would like to see a higher leverage offered. 2. No weekend holding. Having the ability to hold trades over the weekend is extremely important for day traders and swing traders, as their positions are not usually closed within the same trading week. However, Ment Funding doesn't allow trades to be open over the weekend, meaning you must be flat by market close on Fridays. This won't be an issue for scalpers or intraday traders, but a red flag for day traders looking for funding, as this will greatly decrease their chance of success. 3. New to the industry. When choosing financial companies, whether a prop firm or a broker for instance, it's incredibly important to be working with a reputable company. Reputation is built on trust over time, and you have to be able to ensure that the prop firm you're working with will treat you properly. One drawback with Ment Funding is the fact the company is extremely new, with very few reviews online. This isn't the end of the world and certainly doesn't imply that they are not reputable, but it's something to be cautious of, until more reviews come in over the next few months. Ment Funding reviews. What do traders think? Ment Funding is a very new prop trading firm, so we can expect a low amount of reviews in forums. In fact, I would be very suspicious of the company if they had 100+ reviews overnight. The company does have a public Trustpilot profile opens in a new tab, meaning we can see the experience traders are having with the funded accounts being offered. There are a handful of extremely positive results, with traders being very happy with the company, the funding and the support given. We will take these positive reviews with a pinch of salt, purely because we aren't able to come to any type of meaningful conclusion from just a few results. I'm going to keep monitoring the reviews over the next few months, and we should start to see more coming in. In summary, is Ment Funding legitimate? In conclusion, Ment Funding is a legitimate funding option for profitable Forex traders looking to grow their capital under management. The offering is great, and the amount of capital being offered to traders is much higher than competitors are offering within the industry. The trading conditions are currently slightly harder to work with, due to lower leverages and no weekend holding. It's too early to make a full judgment on the company. As more reviews come in over the next few months, it'll be easier to make a more informed decision as to the legitimacy of the funding. For now, I'd recommend sitting on the sidelines and using one of the other top prop firms like My Forex Funds opens in a new tab, until we know more.